Welcome children. Now I am going to teach you about teeth. Teeth is Teeth are found in the buccal cavity. The teeth have a very special role. They cut and break the food into smaller bits. So when we are taking the food in the buccal cavity, it is broken into small pieces by teeth. Teeth help in speaking. Teeth also add to facial beauty. When the teeth broke, fall down in the old age, so beauty, facial beauty will change. So due to the loss of teeth. So children, you have to study in detail about teeth. Teeth develops by ossification in the mucous membrane of buccal cavity. The teeth which are found in buccal cavity of human beings are bun-down type. It means adopted for mastication. Thecodont type. The teeth are fastened in the socket of the jaw bones, and Diphyodont, it means teeth develops twice. First 20 deciduous teeth develops in the baby. So that teeth are called baby teeth or milky teeth. After that, the baby or milky teeth are replaced between the age of 6 to 13 by a permanent teeth. So that is called permanent teeth. And these teeth includes 6 molars in each jaw. The last set of the molar are called wisdom teeth. Wisdom teeth appear at the age of or after the age of 18 years. The teeth of human beings are heterodont. Heterodont means various shape of the teeth, various size and structure of the teeth, and they have adopted for different function. So here you can see these front teeth are incisor. After that, next is canine. These are canine. Then there are premolars. These teeth are premolars. Then now there is molar. These 3 molars. So these are there are 4 types of teeth. Incisor, the 4 types of teeth. Incisor, so these first 4 teeth, when you are smiling, then teeth which are visible, that is incisor. These incisor teeth are biting teeth. These are biting teeth. So these 4 teeth are incisor. After that, this teeth is canine. Then now there is premolar. Again there are molars. But this last set of the molar is called a wisdom teeth. So there are 4 types of teeth are found. Therefore, teeth of human beings are heterodont. Heterodont means various shape, various size. Children, you can see the shape here. This is the first teeth, that is incisor. It is canine. This is premolar and molar. When you see the structure of one tooth, then you will see tooth is placed in a socket. This socket is present in the jaw. There are 3 parts of the tooth. Basal part of the tooth, which has embedded in the socket, that is called root. So this portion is the root. You see, this portion is the root. This is the root of incisor, root of canine, root of premolar, root of molars. And it is embedded in the socket. The socket is present in the jaw. Next is the neck. Neck is the part above root. It is enclosed in the gum. So part of the embedded in this portion is called this is neck. It is the neck. And after that, the part of the tooth has projected beyond the gum, that is called crown. This portion is crown. This is crown. So I told each tooth has 3 parts: root, neck and crown. But when you see the internal structure, for that you have to cut the longitudinal section of a tooth. Then you will find in the center a space is present, that is called pulp cavity. And it is made up of connective tissue. Blood capillaries and nerve fibers are present in this. Again is dentine, which form the major part of tooth. And outermost layer of tooth is enamel. It lines dentine in the crown. It is white in color. It is formed of calcium phosphate, calcium carbonate and enamel rods. It forms cusps of premolars and molar. So these are the teeth. But here I told on the basis of structure there are 4 types of teeth: incisor, canine, premolars, molars. In each jaw, 4 incisor, 2 canine, 4 premolar and 6 molar. It means total 16 teeth are present. 16 teeth are present in the lower jaw and 16 teeth are present in the upper jaw. But when you are taking the baby teeth, that is milky teeth or deciduous teeth, there are 4 incisor, 2 canine, 4 premolars. It means 10 teeth are present in the lower jaw and 10 teeth are present in the upper jaw. Total 20. In the milky teeth, molars are not present. So, children, I told about the structure and function of the teeth. According to the function, teeth are 3 types: biting teeth, tearing teeth and grinding teeth. Incisors are biting teeth. Canine, this is the canine teeth. that is tearing teeth. Again, premolars and molars, they are grinding teeth. Front is incisor, biting teeth. In the corner, there is tearing teeth. Again, premolar and molars are grinding teeth.